Hey guys, it's your girl May once again with another drum roll giveaway. Right, I just had to get that for the picture. So yeah, again, of course, it's whenever you guys see this box, I think y'all know where it's coming from. Check all my unboxing and you'll know, well, all my unboxing have been for one brand. Well, no, lie. So this is it, again, another TGIN unboxing, well, giveaway slash unboxing. Please go ahead and watch my intro and stay tuned for the unboxing.
I got plenty of ambition, you should never try to sleep on me. Cause I won't stop until I'm securing the victory. Wake up in the morning with that positive energy.
Alright, so for the last unboxing, I'll link it in, and you'll see it up here. I did have, it's pretty much the same set of info. I was looking for the oil, but I guess I can do this one as a giveaway. Alright, so first up is the comb. They're Smooth Plus Detangle white tooth comb, which I have one of these already, and somebody already booked this one, so not a giveaway. Then you have the Jamaican black castor oil. Right, let's zoom it up so you guys can see. Right, it's castor oil, wild growth serum. Then I can't wait to do this video. Like, yeah, right there, we're right there. Moisture rich sulfate free shampoo with almond oil plus coconut oil. Yeah, a gentle moisturizing shampoo for all hair types. All, did y'all get that? All hair types. And the last unboxing I did, they did send us soap, and it was really good because I don't know, I think it was maybe I used a product, or maybe it wasn't just the heat. I had a skin rash right here or here, I don't know. It was one of these shoulders, and it was awful. It grossed me out, and when I used their soap, after a while it just went away. By the end of the soap, it was all gone. So yeah, and in this box again, they sent another natural soap for me with shea butter and olive oil, cherry blossom. You guys can definitely go and check out the previous unboxing. So you guys, I don't remember the name of the soap, but it was a pink box, and I really did enjoy that soap. Smelled really great. Let me smell this one and let you guys know. I think TGIN really have some really great smelling products. Alright, so I'm not so sure I'm liking the smell of it. It's a little, it's strong. The scent is strong. Yeah, it's too strong. Sorry. The scent for this one is really strong, not subtle like the first one. But it says it's a gentle moisturizing soap that effectively cleanses and hydrates without irritating, drying, or stripping the skin of its natural moisture. The smell is really strong. Now I'm testing the shampoo smell for you. Yeah, this calms the smell of that soap. Like, if you had a candle for this, I would definitely burn it. The oil. Let me see if I can smell the oil. I think the oil might have some fragrance, but let me check before I say anything wrong. Yes, they do have some fragrance oil in it. Yeah, and it's castor seed oil, biotin, and their fragrance oil, which they do not disclose. They don't want y'all to know their recipe. But yeah, that's all for this little unboxing from TGIN. As always, I do appreciate entering. As always, I do appreciate entering their giveaways. You know, I think us curly girls shouldn't be afraid to enter giveaways, because we get to try new products, and that's the whole point of giveaways. You get to sample. If they're doing a sample size, you get to use the products before actually buying it. But I definitely like TGIN, and I will definitely be buying some of their products this year. And I'm sorry. Until next time, guys, keep your curly hair curly. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.